Imagine taking your bag from a worn-out, color-faded old car and opening the door of a brand new luxury German car, smelling the fresh new leather, stepping inside and sliding around over the wooden finished steering wheel. Wow, you've just completed the D and a V of the formula of how to sell more without being shady, sleazy or pushy. Why? Because you are helping someone solve a problem. Their problem. Let's dive right into it. In the 1960s, David Litcher created this formula for change, which was modified twice until we got the Dannemiller version, which we will use in today's video. Now the formula is C, change, which equals D, dissatisfaction, multiplied by V, vision, multiplied by F, first steps, must be bigger than R, resistance to change. So how do we apply it to our marketing messages? First, you need to highlight your customer's current dissatisfaction or what he or she is unhappy with. Let's say the cloudy swimming pool. Sketching a clear picture or story of how ashamed they might be or embarrassed the kids are, and then point them to V, the vision of what it can be, almost like competing with the Joneses, but in a healthy way, of course. Having the kids away from the devices and screens, playing in the pool, relaxing next to a glistering bright pool, enjoying a barbecue with your friends. Now F is crucial. It's the first steps to access this solution. It must be crystal clear, loud, visible, and with as little friction as possible. Therefore, your call to action must be clear. If it is a very high ticket offer, you must have a very low entry offer that can help them have a quick win until they can afford the long-term win on their problem. If the product of these three factors, dissatisfaction, vision, and first steps, is greater than R, the resistance, then you'll have shown your customer a compelling way how your product or service can solve the problem. And the more problems you solve, the higher your sales will be. Now I'm excited about the next video where we will examine why Elon Musk doesn't spend $1 on advertising Tesla and why this marketing strategy works. Because we want to help as many marketers and businesses grow with better marketing, it will mean the world to me if you will subscribe to our channel so that more entrepreneurs can help grow the economy.